Hey, hello, what is up guys? Welcome to Tech. Today's video is all about Redmi 5A. Before getting into the video, if you are new to this channel or you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the red color subscribe button. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up and comment below in the comment section what you think about this video. Let's see the basic specification of the phone. The phone comes with a display of 5-inch 1080p IPS-C LCD screen, which is a full HD display. It has a processor of Snapdragon 425 octa-core processor chipset. The processor clock cycle is 1.4 GHz. It has a memory of 32 GB and expandable up to 128 GB. It has a 3 GB of RAM. Coming to the camera section, it has a rear camera of 13 megapixel with the LED flash. It has a front camera of 5 megapixel. The battery comes with a 3000 mAh battery. The charge time of the battery is 3 hours for a full complete charge. The phone runs on Android 7.1.2, which is a no-code Android OS, which gives you a stock Android experience. It comes with the dual SIM capability. It also has a dedicated memory card slot. The main drawback of this mobile phone is it does not have a fingerprint sensor. The phone weighs around 137 grams.